What's up guys, today I'm doing a brand new video. Today I'm going to be doing bird spotting. Something you've never seen on my channel before. I've always wanted to do this. Where's the golf ball? Two actually. Okay, starling down there, nice. Oh, there goes starling. Oh, wait. If I'm correct, there might be one on the roof. Oh, it's not one. Sad. Also, there might often be birds going up in that tree. There's one starling up there. Let's just see how this goes. Oh. Right there. This is the window. This is me. And that's a starling. Look at its yellow beak. Oh, you can't see the yellow like that one. Oh, they're close, Oh, what? Look, the starlings are fighting. Okay, more starlings. It's just starlings. It's just starlings. Oh, that's my hand. Oh, well, okay. Okay, what is that sound? Like, it's starling. I just saw starlings on that trampoline over there. Not mine, someone else's. Oh, there's stuff up there. Shout out to whoever's trampoline that is. And also, someone from my class, not that garden, but that trampoline there. My friend Amira from my class. Shout out to you, Amira. Yeah, she's teaching me how to do cartwheels. Okay, look, there's more starlings up there. Yeah, but cartwheels. Also learned to whistle, kind of. But not a very delightful tune. There's a magpie. Oh, that is so sad. You can't see it. You can't see the magpie. It's gone behind. Oh, there's the magpie. There's the magpie. There's the magpie. Can you see the magpie? Oh, there's another starling. If you want to see what I can see, this is how far back I am. This is all I can see. But you're all zoomed in. See? You're lucky to be zoomed in while I'm just... Magpie. What's this thing? Let's check. I can't see. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications, peace.